Now a new entry comes into picture. That state is called suspended state. Now phenomena is fairly simple. Program directly doesn't go from waiting to ready. The logic goes this way. From the waiting, it enters to the suspended state. During this suspended state, it will simply release all the resources which are kept with the process and then wait for a certain time. When it becomes active, it will get those resources back and again get ready for a dispatcher to dispatch it in a running state. That means the basic idea is fairly simple. Instead of directly making a program execute from waiting to ready and running, we just landed to a suspended state where it is semi-start, where the process would start, gain resources, be ready, and then enter. So after suspended state, it truly becomes active. Before it, it is simply a blocked process which is trying to get its resources. This is done for one major reason, is the change in which we are talking or change in which we are going through. We normally have something which we call as a time sharing system, due to which at a regular interval one can interrupt our traditional processes and make it them go in waiting state. From a waiting they would enter in a suspend state, and from a suspend they will go to the ready state. So the basic logic of the sixth state, which is suspended state, is simple. It is not directly jumping from waiting to ready, but going via suspended. The obvious question for the system is who all can suspend and why they would be suspended. Let's answer this query. Who all and why? First thing, why there would be a suspending. In some cases, disk swapping, where we need to swap data from one disk to another or fetch data from one disk to another. This must lead to suspended state. Remember many a times when your phone gets hanged just because Google or WhatsApp is downloading certain updates. That is the time where it is near about disk swapping. Second thing, basically suspending can be done by parent process. Why parent process would do this? Maybe if it is a need, or maybe the process is taking longer than the usual time. Another way of stopping is interactive user, which can precisely stop a particular process. Remember, many a times when a particular app takes more time to open up, Google or rather your Android system shows you a message what to do. Should it wait? Should it forcibly click? Or should it report? It's the same thing comes to the interactive user. In some cases when all three are not involved, that is we are not swapping the disk, we don't have a parent process which is stopping the process, we don't have interactive user which is stopping, it is just on basis of time sharing, or rather it is just on basis of time is over. So there are 4 reasons why somebody can go into suspend mode and then come out of it. Now question would be, who can suspend this way? Obvious, the OS, the parent process, and the agent. Agent is a phenomena where each process would be looked after by a piece of software called agent. Somebody who is gonna see whether everything gets executed properly or not. So together we are talking about a system which handles all these processes. So that's it. That's a 6-state diagram to talk about, where suspended state is there, which is a new coming in. Suspending can be done by OS, parent process, and agent, and generally done for disk swapping or done by parent for some work, interactively stopped by the user, or simply the time is over. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.